Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to create your iCure option account. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So once you're here, all you simply need is that you need to insert your first name, insert your last name. After that, insert your country. So I'm from Cameroon, so I'll just leave it like that. After which, you need to insert either your telephone number or your email address. So I'll simply insert my email address. Once I'm done with that, I create my password. After that, I confirm that I am 18 years old. So after that, I click on open an account. So this is your Forex account already created.